we've got to create a pathway on this platform that we've poured all our concrete for. So we have an access point to bring in the concrete for this form we're going to be building to create a really compact base. Firstly, we're going to install a sort of step system here. After wetting all our formwork down, we're ready for our first load of concrete. I've set this system up today so it's easy for us to shovel the wet concrete and then start agitating it with our trowel and crowbar. We always tap the forms with our hammer to get all the air bubbles out and to get a nice smooth finish on the concrete. The form we're creating today completes the edges of this square platform. After smoothing off our concrete with our trowel, we give it one final tap with our hammer to keep the air bubbles out. We're using a pallet to stack our block on so we can keep it undamaged. And we want to be extra careful because this split face concrete block is going to be all exposed. The cornerstone is the key block. We want everything tight to this corner.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.